Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Place. Today I have a video tutorial for you about how to make sweet sliced carrots. They're easy, they're quick, and I think even your kids are going to like them. So stay tuned. Hey guys, we're making sweet carrots today, like I said. And what I'm going to do here is just go ahead and use a veggie peeler, and I'm going to peel the carrots right on here. My bag, not my bag, but rather my camera would not angle right into my little garbage bag that I use. I always have a garbage bag that I put, the scraps or bones or, what have you that I'm working with. I like to, just put stuff right into a bag and then into our garbage can so it won't start smelling. But since my camera wouldn't angle right into the bag, we're just going to do it like this. Anyway, you're going to peel your carrots, and I have 2. Okay, so one more. I had to end up using 3 carrots for my family. Okay, so I have about 2 cups of water here. I'm going to add the carrots into the water, and the water already has 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. It's already in the water, and it was brought to a boil. So you're going to put the carrots in as I just showed you, and you're going to bring it up to a boil once more. The carrots, I just sliced the carrots. You can make them chunks or, skinny, more of a sticks or what have you, but I like to just slice them up. That's easier for me. And here are the carrots all drained off, and you can go to your liking as far as the tenderness. I like tender carrots. I don't like them hard. So mine's went for a good 25 minutes. What I'm going to do, and you can, you have to taste them. Just pick up one and taste it. Pick up one with a spoon, of course, because the water and everything is hot when you're making them. But taste them and see, or pierce them with a fork or a sharp knife. So what I'm doing now, after I've drained the water off, is I'm putting 1 tablespoon of butter. Sorry, let me get the sugar out here. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I'm just eyeing this. It's 1/4, 1/8 or 1/4, depends on how much of a contrast you like. Okay, so go ahead and stir that up. Yum, yum, yum. They are all glistened with butter and the seasonings as far as the sugar. And I'm sorry, I got another pot going and it's steaming up the camera. And here you go.